Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy and Tasty Options. Today I'm going to show air fried puris in 4 different ways and deep fried way along with tips to reduce impact on health. Puri is a famous Indian breakfast item served with curries, mango pulp, etc. Usually puris are deep fried. Unlimited deep fried foods increase the risk of heart diseases, cancer, diabetes, obesity and whatnot because of the trans fats. But air fried way of puris won't have trans fats. It's the healthiest option. These puris are soft on one side, little crispy on the other side, very fluffy and not saggy. Keep puris in hot pot or airtight container with a tissue underneath. It keeps them softer after hours too. Let's get started with 4 different ways of air frying. Pan frying, directly placing, steaming and freezing ways. Pan frying method takes little less time in air fryer. Coming to nutrition, air-fried medium-sized puri is around 45 calories, 0.47 grams of fat, whereas deep-fried medium-sized puri is around 107 calories, 3 grams of fat, consisting more trans fats. Whereas each of these tiny air-fried puri is around 35 calories, 0.37 grams of fat, 0 trans fats. As you can see, deep-fried puri made out of same wheat flour is unhealthy due to higher trans fats and more calories. Here I am with few tips for those who prefer deep-fried foods mostly. Let's start with medium soft dough. Add 2 cups of whole wheat flour, half a teaspoon salt. Mix flour and salt together. Add around 3/4 cup of water and knead to medium soft dough. Cover with bowl or lid and rest it for 5 minutes. Knead the dough again. You can as well try with soft dough. Add around 1 cup water and knead to soft dough. It's hard to press puri with soft dough, thus keep in fridge for an hour. Take a small portion of dough, make small equal-sized balls. For the puri press, cut 2 edges of Ziploc cover or thick polythene cover. Puri press helps for making even-shaped puffy puris. First place polythene, place puri dough ball and press gently until little thin as it's for air frying. As puris are oil-free, place them separately to avoid sticking. Here is the pan frying way. Heat the pan on medium flame. It shouldn't be too hot. Fry puri both sides each 30 seconds or until tiny brown spots. Or you can fry multiple puris at a time. Preheat air fryer at 400 Fahrenheit for 2 to 3 minutes. You can place 4 to 6 puris as per capacity. Air fry at 400 Fahrenheit for less than 2 minutes and flip halfway. Flip once again if needed at the end. You can see how fluffy and nice texture it has. It's totally oil free. You can enjoy these puris without guilt. This is optional brushing for oily texture. You can use 0-calorie oil spray. I prefer spraying oil in bowl first, then directly over puri. Brush on both sides of puris before flipping. This is one way to trick deep fried puri fans. You can as well directly place puris in air fryer. Preheating air frying is all same. It gives a little different texture. Here is the steaming way. Steam pooris in idli cooker or pressure cooker for a minute. Place steamed pooris in preheated airfryer basket. Rest of the process is all same. Here is the freezing weight before air frying. Freeze pooris in deep fridge for an hour. Air fry the frozen pooris in preheated air fryer with same temperature and settings. Only the texture and extra prepping time for each method of air frying is different. Taste and softness wise, all are similar. Based on time and comfort, you can try making any method and enjoy the healthy pooris with your favorite side dishes. The air fried pooris from hotpot absolutely look like deep fried ones. Here is a deep fried way of making pooris. Heat the oil on high flame. Once the oil is hot enough, deep fry the puri both sides. Drain the oil as much as you can. Cover with tissues to absorb excess oil. Don't forget to keep deep fried puris occasional. Hope you like making air fried puris. Stay tuned for more healthy and tasty recipes. Thanks for watching.